Myself, Harshal Nilkantha Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now we will conduct the practical number 10, toughness of ductile and brittle material by the Chapi impact test. Practical significance: several engineering materials have to withstand the impact or sudden applied load while in service. These loads are applied suddenly. The stress induced in this component is many times more than the stress produced by the same load applied gradually. Therefore, impact tests performed as to assess the shock capacity. Relevant program outcomes: PO number 1 is basic knowledge and PO number 3 is experiment and practice. Competencies and skill: this practical is expected to develop the following skill for the industry identified competency: estimate the stress in structural member and mechanical properties of a material. Select and use the relevant measuring instrument for a measuring dimension of a specimen. Perform Charpy impact test to determine the absorption capacity of the ductile and brittle material. Relevant course outcome: perform the test to evaluate the mechanical property according to Indian standard. Practical outcome: determine the energy absorption capacity of the ductile and brittle materials such as mild steel, aluminum, brass, copper by conducting the Charpy impact test as per Indian standard 1598 and evaluate the toughness of the ductile and brittle materials such as mild steel, aluminum, brass, copper and cast iron. Block diagram: you may see the Charpy impact test machine. The specimen is loaded horizontally in a machine. There is one notch. Okay. See, the specimen is loaded. It is fixed at the boat end and middle portion is free. So the hammer is getting hammered from backhand side. You may see how the material is specimen before and after test. So before it is straight and after test it gets break. Brittle material get break in two pieces, but ductile it is little getting little break and little not break. Okay, there is some of the strength in a ductile fracture. Now I will show you an animation video. So this is the machine. Now I will release the load for loss of energy due to friction. Okay, no specimen is there in machine. So I release the load and load is of 1 joule. Okay, loss of energy due to friction is 1 joule. Next, this is specimen. Okay, length of specimen is 55 mm, width is 10 mm, thickness is 10 mm. Okay, depth of notch is 8 mm and radius is of 1 mm. I will take the material cast iron. I will test the material for the cast iron. Okay, I will place this specimen in a machine. Okay, after that I will test the experiment now. Okay, impact testing machine. So Charpy test is going on. For Charpy test, the specimen is loaded horizontally. I will release the load. Hammer will strike to the specimen. Okay, you may see. Okay, the specimen breaks in two pieces. The total loss of energy during transit of hammer is 8 joule. Energy for failure specimen is 7 joule. Why? Because it is 8 joule and EF we have calculated friction. Okay, loss of energy friction is 1. So 8 minus 1 we will get 7 joule. So loss of energy due to friction is 1 joule. Total loss of energy due to transit is 8. So 8 minus 1 you will get 7 joule. You may see how the material fails. Okay, resource required: we required the ISO impact test machine and also we required the materials such as mild steel, aluminum, brass, copper, cast iron. Okay, precautions to be followed. Okay, avoid improper handling of instrument. Lock the hammer in position before placing the specimen. Ensure the broken piece of the specimen do not hurt the students. Read the value of ISO scale only. Now conclusion: we have concluded that to evaluate the toughness of the ductile and brittle materials such as mild steel, aluminum, brass, copper and cast iron by conducting the Charpy impact test as per the Indian standard 1598. Okay, thank you.